Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to put together a Valentine's gift basket with some items from the Dollar Tree. Some are from the Dollar Tree and some are not from the Dollar Tree. When you're picking out your items from the Dollar Tree, you want to pick out some that has a little, a little high class to it a little bit. Don't pick out those little flimsy, cheap looking one that definitely look like they're from the Dollar Tree. And so here I have this plate. It comes in a pack of a bunch, and I have this leftover one from previous stuff that I was doing. So here I have like a basket clear wrap. So I'm just gonna put the plate in the bottom of the wrap. If this was like a plastic, I would have like put the stuff on the plate first, then put it in the bag. But you know what? It makes more sense to just put the plate in the bag, open the bag, and then get stuff going. So here I am. I'm folding down the plastic because I don't want it to look all crushed up. You guys seen the last couple of videos I post a while ago, the bag was all crushed because I just kind of throw it to the corner. So anyways, here we are. This cup right here, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be adding a clip at some point in this video. I seen this cup at Joann's, and you don't want to guess. Take a guess, guys, and tell me how much I seen this exact same cup for at Joann Fabric that's at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. All right, so we have a little bear that's from the Dollar Tree, and we have some chocolate that's not from the Dollar Tree. We have some little pedicure stuff here that's from the Dollar Tree, and anything that has $1.25 and on your item that you're gonna put in your basket, you could use those stickers. Dollar Tree also sell those heart stickers. Use those and just cover it up, okay? You don't want to have a basket you're going to sell that has $1.25 on it. Okay, these eye masks, again, they're from Bright Eye Care. They are $10 on the website. We're going to do them for $5 in this basket, okay? So we're trying to mix up this basket so it doesn't look too cheap. You see what I mean? If you see what I mean, feel me? And again, I could also probably just take a guess. That cup could have been from Joann Fabric. I just couldn't believe it. Okay. All right. So now we have some more little pedicure stuff we're trying to set on this plate. We're trying to make everything shows, because let's say you're going to sell this little basket for Valentine's. You want your buyer to be able to see everything that's inside of your basket. You don't want somebody to see a cup and a teddy bear and be like, I want to buy it, but I'm not sure what's in it, so I'm not going to buy it. So show it all off. Set these things in place where you're showing it all off, okay? So I put a piece of foam right in there, and really I should glue the foam in, but guess what? This is just for a video purpose, okay? This video, to be honest, this video is just for a video purpose to show you idea. If somebody wants to say, oh, I want to buy that, then I would have to do this over, because actually that cup is my cup. So I would have to do it over. And also you want to glue that foam that you put in, because that foam is to hold these balloons. Keep watching, you're going to see why I put that foam. So now we're throwing some threaded paper inside of the bag. It's just to make it look nicer and filling in all the blank spaces as we go along, okay? So now once I'm done putting all my threaded paper and everything is coming together nicely, I am going to put another set of hard chocolate inside of the gift basket. Now I just used some tape, and I kind of make like a double-sided tape so I could tape this to the tumbler to see how that will hold up, so it will show, so it just doesn't fall down, because it has more weight to it and I don't want it to fall down. Now that was a failure, so what I did, I went ahead and I kind of put more I just said the name of this. I don't know what's wrong with my brain. I just can't remember things. It's getting bad over here, guys. Crimp paper, crushed paper, or whatever that paper is, crumb paper. I just can't remember. I just said it and I can't remember. So, and also that chocolate is not from the Dollar Tree. It's from Walmart. So we're mixing up stuff here. Okay. So Dollar Tree, a little bit of Walmart, and a little bit of, stuff to bring the basket up. We want it to look nice and expensive. We're also throwing some Kisses chocolate inside of that. And honestly, after I throw those Kisses chocolate inside of the packet, they're like lost in between the pink crimp paper. I'm saying this. Am I saying this wrong, guys? Go ahead and type me a comment in the comment section. I don't know. I'm getting really stressed out with not remembering stuff. I'm only 37, guys. I'm not remembering things. I'm getting worried over here. Seriously. Anyways, so now we have like some eye underneath the eye mask, like jelly. So it's kind of like a little spa slash some chocolate. Every girl like chocolate, right? So if you like white chocolate, then there's white chocolate. If you like dark chocolate, there's dark chocolate. So I put the option of both. So here we are. We have some foil balloon. These are some heart-shaped ones. It's a little different from the regular heart-shaped one. And we're just going to pump that up with our balloon pump. Okay. So we're going to put a few pump. And how do I know that these balloon has reached its excess? I kind of feel it. And I also look for those. You see those curls in it? I push so I don't have those wrinkles. So that's it. I kind of like just pump until I don't see the wrinkles too much. You kind of fade out and I kind of like feel it if it's hard. Plus you could also feel back pressure coming in on the pump. So now I am going to blow up another balloon. There's a lot of pink going on here. So I'm just going to break up that pink and I'm blowing up another one of our regular heart balloon. It's an 18-inch foil balloon again. And we want to keep this plain. Like I feel like you could put one up there with the writing, but I don't want it. I want the basket just to look regular. I don't want it to look too overwhelming. Plus, I'm going to be adding a little Happy Valentine stuff on it. So these are self-sealing balloons. So I'm going to like push that down, get it all sealed down, and everything is nice. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the balloon stick. Okay. So there we are, pushing in the little tail part there. If you want, you could use hot glue to glue these down to keep them more secure. I found that using hot glue on these honestly hold them longer, but I feel like also because I've been doing trial and error with them, if you like really seal it down after you blow it up, like pull down that self-sealing part and make sure it's all nice and tight and wrap the balloon nicely around the end part where you see on the stick that I'm wrapping around, then life is good. So once I do so, push that down, I'm going to wrap that around. Then I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue on the stick to keep it in place, because the pressure of the balloon, because it's a heart-shaped balloon, it's kind of like pushing out the stick. So when you put the stick in, it pushes out. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, because guys, if you're selling this, you don't want when somebody purchase this and by the time they walk away, the balloon blow off and fall off, and it's not even at its final destination yet. You see what I mean? So yeah, we had glue on that. So now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing with the other one. But before I do so, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to push that balloon. This time I came up with something a little different. Instead of putting it on the foam, because then they would be in the same spot, I kind of put it on the straw. It's literally on the straw of the tumbler, okay? Because I pushed it in the foam first, but then it was too low. So I took it out because I want one to be higher, if you see what I mean. So, so they're not on the same page. This way you can see the beauty of both balloons. So I put it on the straw and I pushed the other art one in the foam. And then I went ahead and I'm using some curl ribbon, and I'm just going to tie that off, Then I'm going to be using some glue dots to kind of like stick these balloons together so they're not like far away. So they look like they're actually in a relationship versus in an isolationship, if you know what I mean. You see what I mean? When you leave them like that, they literally look like isolationship. So we'll bring them together as one. All right. Some glue dots. You probably can't see what I'm doing because, of course, the balloon, once it goes on the stick, is higher than the camera. So that's all I'm doing. And see how I put the glue stick dots on it. Then I'm going to hold them and kind of like hold them together so they can adhere together. That's it. Nothing crazy. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to keep adding stuff, and we're going to mess around with the clear plastic to make sure it looks nice. Now I have this little stick here that say Happy Valentine's. I don't know. I bought these on Temu. I thought they were like longer stick ones, but they're actually cupcake. They're for cupcakes. Guys, when you're buying anything off Temu, just make sure you like read the review. Don't just buy it because it looks nice and there's a lot of review. Just read the measurements. I read the details, actually, not the review, the details. They're really nice, and I'm winning over here. I'm making it work. Okay, so but they're really for cupcakes. I'm not a baker, so I'm not going to be putting cupcakes. So I'm using some more hearts from the Dollar Tree. We just want to spice this up, make it look nice. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to spice this up with some heart. We're putting some little extra pink heart there, and with the red Happy Valentine's Day, it works out just fine. And I tell you, this basket is booming. Okay, this basket is booming. It looks really nice. Okay, so here we are putting another heart stick in there, and I kind of make this basket on a rush because I had to go to work and I feel like I need to get a video out, so I make it on rush. So literally take me like 15 minutes, and this is on real time, and it's 10 minutes 11 minutes of the video. So it took me like 15 minutes overall to gather everything and like throw it together so you can make some money. So guys, I'm going to tell you what I'm afraid to tell myself, but I've been telling myself, if I make sense. You trying to hustle some money out here? for the Valentines or any type of seasonal holiday or whatever this is, Valentine's Day, St. Patty's Day, whatever, go for it, man. Go for it. Because you could easily well make yourself a basket, 15 minutes, grab some stuff from the Dollar Tree, but you don't have to do like me that goes to Walmart and another place, but grab stuff that makes sense. Like, don't grab the cheap stuff that everybody knows from Dollar Tree. Grab stuff that looks nice, okay? So when you do that and you put it together, I could easily probably sell this basket for $50. Seriously. And I could sell it for $50 only because I could have probably sell it for cheaper, but only because I have these chocolates that are from Walmart. They are not $1.25, okay? They are not $1.25, but and the eye mask is not $1.25 either. But you could buy that at the Dollar Tree too for $1.25. It's just gonna be looking cheap, okay? And we don't want it to look cheap because whoever put this on, it should look really like make the environment dark, not like they're seeing freaking light peeping through a window. But anyways, with all that being said, if you make it this far throughout the video, you are the real deal. So I'm going to be telling you the cups that I saw at Joann Fabric was for $14.99. If you don't believe me, here is it. I just couldn't get over the fact that these were $14.99 when they're at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. No, I was so like, no, they have the red at the Dollar Tree, so don't think they don't have the red. The only thing I haven't seen at the Dollar Tree is the black. But I was so like blown away where I had to open it to make sure that it wasn't like more thicker on the inside. You know, sometimes it looks the same, but on the inside, the wall, the double wall and everything is different. Yeah, I just couldn't believe it. And even with the 70% off, if you don't believe that's the Joann sign I just showed you, it was still way more. That's just wrong, okay? So make sure, so again, we could really sell this basket for more if we sell this for 14, but we're not going to do that, okay? Because God do not like ugly, and you got to be right about what you're doing. Because if you do wrong things, wrong will follow you. You got to do good, and good will follow you. And if you make it this far throughout the video, again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on. Therefore, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy what you see here, okay? And also type me a comment in the comment section and let me know how much you would sell this basket for. Now, guys, remember, don't ever shortchange yourself. People like to get over people, so don't shortchange yourself now, okay? Don't shortchange yourself, okay? The right buyer will come at the right time. So just always remember that. And if you really enjoyed this video, again, go ahead and check out my other videos that are going to be popping up right after this video. You never know. I may be an inspiration to you, okay? So I know I talk a lot, but I just want to say you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.